Quebec's hydropower is a clean and renewable energy source, and that's something we're proud of. But how are we so sure it emits so little in the way of GHG emissions? Thanks to the reliable and rigorous field studies we conduct in cooperation with several partners. Studies that help us better understand our reservoirs' GHG emissions and carbon cycles, track their evolution over time, and accurately compare our emissions with those of other types of energy generation. Our data are some of the most credible and complete for a number of reasons. The first is that we've had a data collection system in place for several decades. Hydro-Québec has been monitoring the GHGs emitted by its reservoirs since 1993. We also gather other data at the same time. If you count all the data compiled by our automated systems and field campaigns, we collect no fewer than 30,000 to 40,000 measurements from our reservoirs and from forests, bogs, lakes, and rivers every year. As a matter of fact, the carbon footprint of a kilowatt-hour in Quebec is widely and carefully documented. Quebec is home to the world's most extensive datasets on the GHG emissions of hydroelectric reservoirs. And that's why being thorough is so important. For example, we worked with research teams to develop a unique and proven method to measure GHG emissions that has inspired other nations to follow our lead. Our approach calculates emissions before, during, and after a reservoir's creation. We also compare the data on a new reservoir and the data on the natural environments it replaces to determine the net GHG emissions balance. The range of measurement methods gives us a comprehensive and accurate picture of the impacts of our facilities. It takes considerable effort to collect these data. Our territory is so vast. Our teams travel tremendous distances to get to our facilities, and gathering data in remote areas requires a lot of logistics. Another one of our strengths lies in our collaboration with experts. We support and are actively involved in several research projects through partnerships with academics in different fields. So our collaborators contribute to the development of new scientific methods that are both cutting-edge and adaptable. At Hydro-Québec, we believe in transparency. Our partners have the freedom to define their research activities based on our common objectives. It's our duty as a government corporation to be forthright with the public. Building on these valuable, extensive, and reliable data, we're proud to defend Quebec's kilowatt-hour throughout the world. Our clean and renewable energy contributes to the decarbonization of Quebec and our neighboring provinces and states.